Hi y'all, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Jill. Last time I showed you how to DIY this stock tank pool. But even if building your own pool is outside your comfort zone, you're gonna love 5 of my favorite tips to dress up any pool, even an inflatable one. So right here, I just have your basic, cheap, plastic Flamingo. I think this guy cost me $1.99, but I wanted to do something creative with it. So I thought it would be adorable by the pool as a drink holder. And I have a hole saw that's 2.5 inches with an arbor, and that will perfectly fit my drink when we're done. All I'm gonna do is take this guy off his legs for now, and I am gonna start drilling a hole. We're gonna go slowly. We don't wanna tear up the plastic with this sharp bit. There we go. And you've got some kind of rough edges, so I'm just gonna lightly go over that with a sanding block and smooth out. Now we've got our nice clean hole, so we're just gonna put him back on his legs. For our next DIY, I'm taking a trellis purchased from the home improvement store and I'm repurposing it as poolside storage. I'm spray painting it white so that it pops against the wood fence. Add 2 to 3 thin coats of paint, then let dry. Then screw it in place and add the S-hooks. Fill with towels, pool toys, and other summer essentials. We decided to add some stairs so it's easier for the little ones to get in. So we're just gonna use these cinder block caps and we're just gonna test where we wanna put them and then we're gonna paint them. Let's save ourselves some time and we're just gonna mark off which sides we're gonna paint so we don't have to paint the whole thing. We're using a light pink paint specifically designed to work on concrete. I think this will coordinate nicely with the green striped pool. Sarah had a genius idea. She thought about putting felt pads to the back of it because we don't want it to scratch up our newly nice painted pool. And we're gonna secure them with liquid nails. Next, I'm adding some more storage by the steps using a shepherd's hook. Secure it in the gravel, then hang a bin with sunscreen and bug spray so you never forget to reapply. You might think that the chlorine would be harmful to your plants, but because the concentration level is so low in this little pool, the plants actually love being splashed by the water. Just be sure to choose plants that love bright sunlight if your pool is uncovered like mine. Let me know in the comments below how you dress up your pool for the summer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Handmade, and we'll see you next time. Bye.